So let's say you replace your leg leash material with something different, like paracord or custom material, and you find that your material slides through the leg leash. So when you put your leg leash on, it slides here and makes it so your leg leash loosens throughout the day. There's an alternate routing method here that will help prevent that. So to do that, we're going to unthread our leg leash. I'm going to go through the slider here with our free end. And we're going to just leave that slider in place. Undo it here. And now we're going to take that slider all the way off. And we'll go all the way out through our buckle here. Here is the alternate leg leash routing to prevent slipping. All right. The male side of the buckle is here, female side is here. We'll go in through the top. Out through the right side. And in through the top again. So that wraps around the outer side of the buckle there. Next, we'll go around here, in through the top, and then out through the bottom. So this is what it'll look like when you're done. Let's do that one more time. So we are going to go in through the top, out through the right towards the male side of the buckle, and wrap around and in through the top again. Then we're going to wrap to the left and go in through the top and up through the bottom, and we're done. Now we'll put our slider back on. Make sure that's not twisted. We'll put a little slack in our slider here to make it easier. And then I'm going to pinch these down so that my slider's hanging out by itself. Now we'll pinch this side down. And good to go.